You won't believe the strange and surprising meanings behind these English words. Some sounds beautiful, some feel unusual, but all of them will make your vocabulary richer. Today, I'll share their origins, meanings, and real-life examples. And yes, there's a free PDF with everything in the description. Words are tools, and the more tools you have, the more precisely you can express yourself. Unique words can add sparkle to everyday speech and depth to your writing. But remember, knowing a word isn't enough. You need context and nuance to truly use it well. Let's start with serendipity, a happy accident, a wonderful discovery you weren't looking for. Originating from a Persian fairy tale called The Three Princes of Serendip. It's now used to describe those beautiful moments that surprise us. Next, Schadenfreude, a German word with no direct English equivalent. It's that complex feeling when we take a bit of pleasure in someone else's misfortune, though we might not want to admit it. And Petrichor, an epicent after the rain falls on dry ground. Scientists found it's caused by plant oils and a compound called geosmin. Beautiful, right? Ephemeral, lasting only for a short time, like a sunset or a perfect summer day. Poets love it. Mellifluous, a smooth, pleasant sound like a singer's voice or a flowing stream. It even sounds beautiful when you say it. And ubiquitous, something that's everywhere, like smartphones in today's world. Exploring words like these is more than just a vocabulary boost. It's a window into culture and history. Use online dictionaries, etymology sites, and reading to discover more hidden gems. The richer your vocabulary, the more clearly you can think and communicate. These words are more than fancy. They help you capture ideas and emotions you couldn't describe before. So here's your challenge. Learn one new word this week. Use it 3 times in real conversation and watch how it changes the way people listen to you. Download the free PDF below with all these words, their meanings, origins, and examples. See you next time.